My mother also likes to read the book. Jack is my brother. He has a pet. It is a bird. It has a heartbeat. I have a kitten. It likes to lick itself. We often play together. I love my family very much.